Mazda just confirmed what the competition has been dreading. The all-new 2027 CX-5 is arriving with a completely in-house hybrid powertrain, a genuine automatic transmission, and a redesigned cabin that finally answers every criticism the current model has carried for years. If you have been shopping compact SUVs and keep hitting the same wall, hybrids that drive like appliances, CVTs that kill the fun, and rear seats too tight for real passengers, this is the vehicle that was built specifically to solve those problems. Most hybrid SUVs in this class make you choose between efficiency and driving enjoyment, but the 2027 CX-5 is arriving with both, and at a starting price that is still about to come in under $30,000. It's getting a hybrid powertrain. For years, one knock against the CX-5 has been straightforward. Every major rival, RAV4, CR-V, Escape, has offered hybrid power, while Mazda relied solely on gasoline. That gap is closing, and the way Mazda is closing it is worth paying attention to. The 2027 CX-5 is going to get a self-charging hybrid powertrain and not a borrowed one. The CX-50 uses Toyota's proven system, but Mazda has gone a different direction here. An entirely in-house developed hybrid setup is on the way, engineered specifically around the CX-5's own design priorities. Think about what it costs to fill a tank every week. A compact SUV doing 28 or 29 miles per gallon is reasonable, but over a full year, those fill-ups add up fast. That's exactly what the new hybrid setup is going to address, with Atkinson's cycle tuning and electric motor assistance pushing combined fuel economy well north of 40 miles per gallon. This hybrid was built for the CX-5's platform and personality from the ground up, and that kind of integration typically shows in the final product. But the powertrain is only half the story, because the transmission Mazda is pairing it with is about to make every CVT-equipped rival look like a step backward. With automatic transmission, pick up any compact hybrid SUV right now, and there is a near universal constant under the hood. RAV4 hybrid uses a CVT. CR-V hybrid uses a CVT. Escape hybrid uses a CVT. CX-50 hybrid uses a CVT. The continuously variable transmission has become the default because it cooperates well with hybrid architecture and keeps efficiency numbers strong. Most drivers who have lived with a CVT know the feeling. You press the accelerator to merge, and the engine climbs to a high pitch, holds there, and acceleration arrives in a long, flat surge rather than a push. It works, but it doesn't feel good. That's the problem Mazda is solving. The 2027 CX-5 is pairing its new hybrid system with a genuine torque converter automatic. Real gear changes, a linear power curve, and a driving feel that the CVT competition isn't going to match. Mazda has decided that for a vehicle built around driving enjoyment, that trade-off isn't worth making. That decision alone separates the 2027 CX-5 from every hybrid competitor in this class, and when it comes to what this SUV actually feels like to drive, the gap gets even wider. Driving experience class-leading. The current CX-5 is widely regarded as the most driver-focused compact SUV in the mainstream segment. Precise steering, a well-balanced chassis, minimal body roll, and a ride that stays comfortable without going soft. These are the qualities that have kept buyers loyal through 9 model years. The 2027 generation is keeping all of it. There is a reason so many compact SUV owners feel underwhelmed the first time they push their vehicle through a corner. Most prioritize ride comfort above everything else, and the chassis tuning reflects that. Body roll is significant, steering feedback is minimal, and the whole experience communicates appliance rather than vehicle. The 2027 CX-5 is engineered to be something different. G-Vectoring Control Plus is carrying over, adjusting engine torque mid-corner to shift weight toward the front wheels and sharpen grip. Combined with refined suspension and an automatic that holds gears through a bend, this is going to remain the compact SUV that drivers actually want to be behind the wheel of. A great drive means nothing if passengers aren't comfortable, though, and that's where the next chapter delivers some of the most welcome news in the CX-5's history: spacious cabin. Rear passenger space is being substantially improved, and for anyone who has spent time in the second row of the current model, that is welcome news. Anyone who has taken a longer trip with adults in the back knows the problem. Knees pressed toward the front seat backs, headroom runs tight, and what starts as a comfortable short trip becomes noticeably cramped once the miles stack up. The 2027 generation is dealing with it directly. Revised interior packaging is freeing up meaningful legroom and headroom in the rear, making the second row genuinely comfortable rather than merely adequate. Cargo space is expanding expanding as well. The current model sits at the lower end of the segment in load volume, and the next generation is closing that gap. A larger cargo area, combined with improved rear seat packaging, is going to make the 2027 CX-5 significantly more practical, without compromising the design language that has defined the nameplate. That improvement sets a strong foundation, but for buyers who want something simpler and proven, the gas model is its own compelling argument. Bulletproof gas engine. The hybrid is the headline, but Mazda is not walking away from gasoline power. The 2.5-liter naturally aspirated inline-4 is staying in the lineup, with one of the strongest reliability records of any engine in this segment. No turbochargers to maintain, no high-voltage components to worry about. Just a straightforward powertrain, built for longevity. For buyers who have watched turbocharged rivals develop issues within the first few years of ownership, that simplicity carries real value. An engine that needs nothing more than regular oil changes is an engine that stays out of the shop. The 2.5-liter has been doing exactly that for years, putting out 187 horsepower paired with a 6-speed automatic. And the 2027 CX-5 is keeping it available for buyers who want proven reliability above everything else. A reliable engine matters, but it sits inside a cabin that is about to receive a technology upgrade significant enough to change how this vehicle competes at the premium end of the segment. Modern tech features. The CX-5's interior has always punched above its price point in terms of design and build quality, but the technology side is due for a meaningful update, and the 2027 generation is delivering one. At the center of the dashboard, a new curved display panel is coming, integrating the infotainment screen and digital instrument cluster into a single wide unit, clean, uncluttered, and a genuine step forward from what the outgoing model offers. Most buyers in this segment know what it feels like to get into a newer vehicle and find an infotainment system that already feels dated. Small screens, slow response, software that makes basic functions harder than they need to be. It pulls the whole interior experience down regardless of material quality. The 2027 CX-5 is closing that gap with Amazon Alexa voice integration, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, and Mazda's driver personalization system, with storing seat position, mirror settings, and climate preferences to individual profiles. The safety suite is getting a full update as well, with blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and automatic high beams, all expected to be standard across the lineup, along with a new semi-autonomous driving feature making its debut in this model. All of that capability, and the question that remains is what it's all going to cost. Release date and price. The 2027 Mazda CX-5 is coming soon, with production preparation already underway in Mazda's Japanese assembly facility, the same plant that has been responsible for the build quality and material consistency buyers have associated with this nameplate for years. On pricing, Mazda has signaled that cost management is a clear priority. A planned 6% improvement in production cost efficiency is built into the new model, with the goal of keeping the base price competitive despite the scope of changes arriving with it. As a result, the 2027 CX-5 will remain under $30,000 for the base gas variant. Hybrid trims are expected to land in the mid-30s, directly alongside RAV4 Hybrid and CR-V Hybrid, but with a driving experience and an automatic transmission that neither of those vehicles is going to offer. The 2027 Mazda CX-5 is arriving as the most well-rounded version of this vehicle Mazda has ever produced. A first-ever in-house hybrid powertrain, paired with a genuine automatic transmission that no competitor in this class is offering, sets the foundation. Class-leading driving dynamics are staying intact. The rear cabin is finally getting the space it has always needed, and a curved display panel and updated safety suite are bringing the tech package fully up to date. For buyers who want the simpler route, the proven 2.5-liter gas engine remains on offer, reliable, capable, and backed by years of real-world data. With base pricing expected to stay under $30,000 and hybrid trims in the mid-30s, the 2027 CX-5 is making a strong case that you no longer have to compromise to get everything you want from a compact SUV. The CX-5 is certainly a fantastic SUV, but the competition is as good, just with a bit different set of strengths. If you prioritize efficiency, comfort, and the latest safety tech, you definitely want to check out our next video about the 2027 Toyota RAV4. It's way better than the previous generation in nearly every aspect.